everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Now today we will make something. What something? Have you ever thought? What should I make today? Okay, I have a plan. I know we all are missing our beaches, so we'll make some sand castle. Before I start, I want you all to just subscribe the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. If you are already a subscriber, then please do like, share and comment. So let's start. To make a sand castle, the material required is a sheet, a marker, pencil, a round object and your oil pastels is all what we require. So let's start. Okay, let's start. Now what we'll do is on our sheet, we'll do the drawing freehand. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll first make a V shape for the top of the sand castle, right? And we'll join it. Now the next step is we'll make two standing lines, and then what we will do is we will make little out from outside one sleeping line, small standing line, and a shape like this for the whole castle. And again we'll just take these lines. Now I'm making a little slant, not very big slant, but a little slant to these lines. Now the next step is we'll repeat this step. Again, we have to make sure we don't have to start from this end. We have to just move out. That is very important what we are doing. Okay, then again we have to remember move out. So I'm just moving out and we'll make a line here. Okay, I have just left the space. Let me complete this sand castle first. So I'll make a window here. I know it's made up of sand, but of course, just to give a look of a sand castle, we are making it. Now, at the bottom, now we will not only make the sand castle, we'll add few things. I'm taking a round object. I'll make a circle to make a ball. So I made a circle. Again, I'll make a kind of an oval inside and I will make it a ball. So when we go to the beach, when we try and create our sand castles, what we do is we play with so many objects. So now ball is here, we'll make something over here and I'm joining it at the bottom. And we'll make a door here for our sand castle to enter. Now what we'll do is we'll make a thing with which we can hold the sand. So what we'll do is we'll make a shape, a flat U kind of a shape we'll make. Then inside it, what I'll do, I'll make one more shape like this. I'll make one more here and a curve here. And we'll make a handle of it. So this is something with which kids can play and take the sand. Okay, now this is okay. We'll make some shells. We can make some shells here. You can add your own choice of things also. Maybe you can add a drink here, so everybody enjoy that. Some summer coolers or so that things. Now what we'll do is here I'll add an umbrella. Okay, because whenever we are on beach, there is a lot of heat around. So this is the shape. We'll make an opposite semicircle kind of a shape. I have made a shape. Okay. Now what we'll do is to make an umbrella, first we'll make some lines. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll make them inside. So that's the shape and it should look like an, and here we can make a drop just to give the complete effect of our umbrella. Now what we'll do is we'll color it. To start with the colors, what we'll do is, okay, where are we? The background is missing. You have to remind me, okay, if I do a mistake. So what we'll do is we'll create a background. Now what should be the background? Of course, the sea. So to make a sea, what I'm doing is I'm just making some waves around. That's it. I'll also tell you how to color these waves. Okay, so that give that little effect of that sea. And this is the beach. Okay, let's start. In our sand castle, we'll be using mustard and brown shades. Okay, we'll be using a lot of shades of mustard and brown. So to start with it, I'm starting with the mustard color, and I have to give a lot of shades of brown color in it. Just a sec. Okay, from one side I am giving this shades of brown color. Okay, and we have to merge it. That is very important, merging and mixing. So the whole area in the sand castle will be giving the shades. Again, what we'll do is we'll give the shades on one side, and of course as we have shown it on top, so we'll give a shade here. So sand castle has to be in the color of the sand. Whatever is the color of the sand, we have to do that. So we have colored our castle. Now we'll color the rest of the area, and then I'll tell you how to color the background for it. Okay. So to color this, what we'll use is we'll use all bright colors. Starting with the red color. You can choose your colors also. I am doing just simple bright colors, multicolor, so that my painting looks beautiful. So you can choose the colors of your choice. Yellow color, orange color. Taking the yellow color. I will not take a blue color because I have to do a lot of blue color in the background. So I'm not taking a blue color. I will take a bright green color. And this is of course the sand. Okay. This will be a little bit shades of yellow and white. So the shells will be yellow and white shade. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to make the sea here. So for the sea, what we will do is we will be using the shades of blue color. We'll use the darkest blue, whichever I have. From top, we'll merge it with the medium blue. And I have one more blue, so I will use this blue also. And we'll leave some space for white. So at the bottom we have to do the white color. Right, so this is the gradation we have to do. So let's start. Now if you have a much darker color than this, you can add a little bit of that also. Now the next step is we have to color this area. Now this is the sand, but what happens to the sand is, what happens to our sand is it becomes wet when the water is there. So what we'll do is we'll do a darker color here, and then we'll go to the light tones. Okay, so for that we'll use the dark tone. We'll give a shades of little brown, and I have this dark mustard color, so we'll use that. Not this one, this dark mustard color, we'll use that. So from this corner we have to make sure we are using a dark mustard, so a little bit of here, because this is the sand. Just adding a bit, and we have to merge it. And a simple sand castle drawing is ready. I'll show you how it is looking. I'll just remove the tapes. And our beautiful sand castle is ready with the sea coming up. So do like, share and comment, and of course tell me how do you find it. And I think it was easy for all of you to create it. And if in case you have not subscribed the channel till now, to do subscribe it. You can also send your messages and your paintings. You can share it on our Insta and Facebook page. Right? And I hope you all enjoyed making it. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy. And of course, keep missing your vacations. I know we cannot go out right now, but still, let's create these paintings. Bye.